Colin, come here, Teddy. Colin, come on. Here's our boy. Come here. Santa came early. There's something in the bag for you.
There's something in the bag.
Poor dog.
This is the little Santa brought you a present.
Are you kidding?
Terry.
Kidding.
No,
Yeah.
you tight or not?
He looks so cute, Teddy.
I'm surprised that he didn't just like lay down on the ground and start fighting about it.
What's going on? Right over there.
Merry Christmas.
Oh. Oh.
Hold that. Oh my God.
You can change it if that's too thick. I helped him pick it out.
Oh.